Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of GCC Compiler, that is version 13.2 on a Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how you can easily run a simple Hello World C program with the help of our latest version of GCC Compiler, that is version 13.2. So this video is going to be informative. I highly recommend you to watch the video till the end. If you face any issues in middle, you can always comment in your comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. Now to install the latest version of GCC Compiler, that is version 13.2, we need to first simply go to favorite browser and to just simply search over here GCC 13.2 download and hit enter, and immediately you'll be able to see the source force link. So if you don't get the search result, don't worry, I'm going to provide that link also in the description. So you need to open this link. So it will going to redirect to the official site of SourceForce.net, and here you can see we have a GCC Windows 64 latest version of compiler, that is version 13.2. So this link I'm going to provide right in our description, so you can directly use that link to download the latest version of GCC compiler. So you can see it is directly downloaded. So here is our 7-zip file. So now let's minimize our browser and go to our download directory. And you can see that our latest version of GCC Compiler version 13.2 is already been downloaded over here. So this is just a zip file. So you need to right click and you need to extract this file. So just simply right click and click on extract all. So just simply click on extract and it's going to start extracting our GCC Compiler. You can see it is rightly started. So it will take a couple of minutes. After that I am going to again come back to this video. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our GCC version 13.2 compiler is rightly extracted, and you can see all the files over here as well. So you can close this folder for now. So here is our extracted folder. So if you go inside, you can see all files. So I'll go a directory back, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply right click this folder and I'm going to rename this folder to something short. Alright, so now I'm going to remove this node debug part, so I'm going to only keep till GCC-13.2. Alright, so this much only. So after that you need to just right click that extracted folder, then you need to cut that folder, and then you need to go to your C drive, and then you need to again right click and paste that folder over here. So what we are doing is we are first downloading our GCC compiler, then we are extracting, and then we are going to cut that folder and we are going to paste that folder on our C drive. So if you go inside that folder, you can see it is rightly there. All the all the files are rightly over here within GCC 13.2.0 compiler. Alright, so now if you need to go inside your bin folder, and then you need to click on this address bar, then you need to right click and you need to copy this path. Alright, so that's all you need to do. After that you need to go to your search and then you need to type environ, and that will show you this edit the system environment variables. So just simply open that, and immediately you'll be able to see the system properties window. So you have to click on this environment variables, so that will open environment variables window. So here you need to click on path, so you'll be able to see a path over here. So that is what you need to click, and then you need to click on edit, and that will again open edit the environment variable window. So here you need to click on new, and then you need to paste that path over here. Alright, that GCC 13.2.0 / bin folder path is what you need to paste under environment variable. So after doing that, you need to just simply click on OK, then again OK, and then again OK. So now that you know that our GCC compiler is rightly installed, also our environment path is also set, so everything is good. So now if you close this, and if you just simply go to search again and simply type cmd to open our command prompt. So here if you just simply type something like gcc space -- version and hit enter, immediately you'll be able to see that latest version of GCC compiler, that is version 13.2, is rightly shown on our console. So if you get this similar type of prompt, then all that basically means is our GCC compiler is successfully installed on your system, the latest version. Alright, so now after you do that, I'm going to show you a simple Hello World C program. So I'll create a new folder, and I'm going to give the folder name as C prog. So I'll go inside that C proc folder, and I'm going to create a new text file. So I'm going to create a new text file. I'm going to give the file name as hello world, and I'm going to remove this .txt extension with .c. Alright, and I'm going to click on outside, and it's going to ask you whether you like to change the file name extension. So I'm going to click on yes. So you can see a file name extension is rightly changed. So you can open this file in any notepad, or if you are using Visual Studio or Sublime Text, so that also you can do. I have already made a detailed video on how to use C program on Visual Studio and in Sublime Text, so you can follow that video as well if you want. For this video I'm going to just simply open this in a notepad, so you can see that our hello world.c file is rightly open in our notepad. So here I'm going to write a simple hello world program. So hash include stdio.h, and I'm going to write a main method, so int main, and I'm going to create parenthesis, and within parenthesis I'm going to just simply do printf, and within printf I'm going to just print hello world. So hello world, and I'm going to return 0. So return 0. Alright, so why you need to return 0? Because we have created an int main method, right? So you need to return something, so you are returning 0. So just simply save this file, and now if you go to your folder, so in your address bar, if you just simply type cmd and hit enter, that's going to open our command prompt right at this location. So you can see that our command prompt is rightly opened at this location itself. So to compile this program, you need to again type gcc, then your file name, which is hello world.c. So hello world.c. So you need to type gcc, then your file name, hit enter, and you can see that it is rightly started compiling our program. And you can see that it is successfully compiled. It has also generated a a.exe file. So that this is the file what you need to run. So you need to run that file, you need to just simply type a. So again, that is the file name of that exe. So for our case it is a. So I'm going to type a and hit enter, and you can see that output hello world is rightly shown on our console. So whatever program you have written, so that program's output is showing on our console. So let's say you have written a loop program, or let's say you have learned more about C program and you have learned about linked list and all, so that program also you can run this similar way whatever I have showed you. Alright, so in this way you can easily install latest version of GCC Compiler, that is version 13.2, and you can immediately start writing all the school or your college assignments using this compiler. I have also started Geeky Syntax channel, so here regularly I am posting coding related videos, so please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel, and also if you are interested you can also subscribe our Geeky Script blogging channel. So that's basically all about this video. Please do subscribe our channel, that will really motivate me to make more such videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.